Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to another tutorial video, and in this video guys I will be explaining to you one of the basic mechanics of Asphalt 9 Legends, which is the drift mechanic. Before I actually get into it, first I want to apologize for two things. Firstly, as you can probably hear, I have come down with a bit of a cold, which does mean that my voice is a bit more nasally than usual, so just bear with me, I beg you. I'll try to explain it the best I can, and for the time being I will have this sort of nasally voice. And the second thing I want to apologize to you guys for is I will not be able to demonstrate this to you directly, since my screen mirroring tends to not want to cooperate with me, and by playing Asphalt 9 Legends it just tends to, for some reason, disconnect at random intervals. So I'll just explain it verbally and you guys should get the gist. Now, you should have learned this in the tutorial if you have played through it. However, to actually drift, you have a dedicated drift button in the bottom left of your screen. Now, what this does, it makes your car drift, as pretty much self-explanatory. And what this does is it makes your car pretty much brake and do corners and turns, sharper turns, a bit better. And once you do this, your actual nitro bar will fill up. However, if you do this on straight roads, it will just pretty much cost you speed and it won't do anything very useful. It will get you some nitro charge. However, I do not recommend this, as it will slow you down. Other people might crash into you and eliminate you from the race. And yeah, pretty much just do it when you're turning a corner or once you're making a bit of a sharper turn. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you found this helpful. Again, I'm sorry that I couldn't show you. However, it is what it is, and I will see you guys in another video.